Romantic Home family, and welcome back. I am Olivia's Romantic Home. In today's video, I am so excited to share with you guys some more DIY elegant designer Christmas decor. So in today's video, we're going to be creating this beautiful, elegant, extra large Christmas swag. We're going to use goodies from Hobby Lobby and Walmart. Super easy to do. We're also going to create a super elegant, easy little Christmas wreath. This is also very inexpensive and very easy to do. And for those of you that like a little bit more of a scaled back look. And the next thing I have to share with you guys, this is pretty fun, and you guys can always change out the ribbons in the poinsettia colors, but it is a wonderful little hack that I'm going to share with you guys on how to create this beautiful floral arrangement. Everything is from Hobby Lobby or Walmart, and I know you guys are going to absolutely love these projects. Always remember that you all can change up the ribbon and the colors to match your decor. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and plug in those glue guns, get out your glitter and paint, and let's get to crafting. Let's create a gorgeous, elegant Christmas swag. So from Hobby Lobby, I grabbed this evergreen swag base and then these beautiful berries. I zip tied the berries to the base to make it look a little bit extra long and give it some flavor with color. The next thing I want to do is share with you guys this awesome ribbon hack. You can take your wired ribbon, measure it about the size of your swag, and simply trim it off. And then you want to take some hot glue and just hot glue your ribbon end to end. This is a great little bow hack. Anybody can make this kind of bow. So hot glue it end to end, pinch it in the center, and then zip tie it to the top for your bow. I added in some Walmart Christmas bells, and then I'm going to take some smaller ribbon. This is value ribbon from Hobby Lobby, and this is my other little bow hack. I'm simply going to take the ribbon and loop it over on itself 6 times. Now this ribbon is a little bit smaller than my first ribbon, that way you can see it, and it does have this beautiful plaid. I thought it would be so pretty as more of a traditional elegant flare. I'm going to take a zip tie into the center of my bow, zip tie it together, and then simply fluffy duffy out those loops. I'm listening to some praise and worship music. I have just been really jamming out recently. I love so many different artists: Brandon Lake, Lauren Daigle, Tasha Cobbs. You guys drop your favorite praise and worship music down below. The next thing I'm going to do is trim off some tails. So I did add in some gold also to these ribbons, and I just cut 3 sets of tails, so red, plaid, and gold, and I'm going to simply zip tie those into the center of my beautiful little ribbon wreath. Now I'm going to take the 2 ribbons and kind of swag them to the side for now. The next thing I'm going to do is add in some beautiful red traditional ornaments, super easy, and some pretty little gold ornaments. The ornaments I found at Hobby Lobby in a giant bucket and super inexpensive. The next thing I'm going to do is take and just hot glue my tails off to the side. That way you can see the pretty ornaments, the greenery, and also if I put this outside, they're not going to be flying around in the wind. I wanted to add some ribbon to the base of my beautiful swag to extend it out a little bit further, so I made a quick little loop of a bow, and then I'm trimming off my sweet little tail here. I'm going to take and make one more set of ribbon loops. So you take your ribbon, loop it over on itself 6 times, and again, this is that value ribbon from Hobby Lobby, and all of Hobby Lobby's Christmas decor is 50% off now, so you guys run, don't walk, and grab your favorites. Again, I'm using traditional colors, reds, golds, and plaids in this beautiful swag. Also, if you want to go back on my other videos, I shared with you guys how to create these little Christmas trees and the wreath. Here is the finished project. I think it turned out gorgeous, super budget friendly, and very user friendly. You guys can totally do this. Just grab some ribbons, some ornaments, and these beautiful bells are from Walmart. They're a beautiful Pottery Barn dupe. In fact, the original bells on Pottery Barn were like $69, and I think my Walmart had these for $11.98. I've seen some of them out there for $9. So anyway, Dollar Tree also carries bells as well, so you guys go grab your Christmas goodies and get to crafting. I am so excited for Christmas coming up. Yes, I know it's not Halloween, but I'm not a big Halloween gal, so I just went ahead and started Christmas crafting in my Christmas studio, which is aka my garage. So I hope you guys are loving it and are totally inspired. The next project we're going to make is a beautiful Christmas floral. Stay tuned.
Oh, nothing compares
Let me share with you guys a gorgeous, easy, budget-friendly designer floral for your holiday decorating. You're simply going to grab a 12-inch pedestal base from Hobby Lobby, paint it gold. I love the Rust-Oleum 2X Gold spray paint from Walmart, and then simply flip it upside down, and that is going to create an instant vase. Let me share with you guys the next step on how we're going to design this. The first thing I want to do is add in a bunch of hot glue to the bottom of my vase. The second step is to add in some floral foam. I'm using a longer piece, that way my flowers will stick in there nicely. Now let's make this quick and easy. I'm taking 2 bundles of poinsettia bushes from Hobby Lobby. I just want to simply trim them off by their stems with my wire cutters. Now, as I'm clipping my poinsettias, I want to go ahead and zhuzh them out just a bit. They come stuffed in a box, I believe, and they just need a little bit of help. So let's go ahead and add one to our arrangement and see how we feel about it. For this beautiful Christmas floral arrangement, I wanted it to look nice and full, so I chose 2 bundles of Christmas poinsettias at Hobby Lobby. They have them in the big, just center parts in my Hobby Lobby. You guys can also get these at Walmart, and Dollar Tree also carries Christmas poinsettias. I do like these little bit fuller ones. I'm hoping that these will last season to season. And also remember that you all can change your poinsettia color to match your decor, so they have white and pink and gold and all different colors. The next thing I want to do is create a gorgeous bow. Grab some wired ribbon, measure it from your hand to your elbow. That's going to be 12 inches, and simply loop it over on itself. This is the easiest bow hack you will ever do, and you're going to make a beautiful bow. You want to loop it over on itself 4 times. Find the center as I'm doing, cut off that tail, take a little zip tie and zip tie it into the center. I'm adding a little wooden rod dowel. I grabbed these at Dollar Tree, and I'm just simply zip tying my bow onto the dowel, and then I'm going to fluffy duffy out that bow. Now, if you guys have a shish kebab stick, that will work too. You're simply going to pop it in to your floral arrangement base, and of course the bow is extra. You guys totally don't have to do the bow, but I think it looks super gorgeous. Now I'm going to take and make some tails. So I'm taking again my little red velvet ribbon, and I added the gold ribbon on top. I'm going to twist that tail, twisty twisty baby, and then I'm just going to zip tie that in to the center part of my little bow. I'm going to give it a little twirl, just like you would do if you were curling your hair. Twirl one side, twirl the next, and boom, you have a gorgeous floral on a total budget. Also, I want to let you know that I picked up these little pedestal bases at my Hobby Lobby for $1 because they had chips on them. So keep an eye out. They're sold out now where I'm at, but keep an eye out, super budget. Let's create an elegant traditional Christmas wreath on a budget using supplies from Walmart. So from Walmart, I grabbed this gorgeous Christmas evergreen wreath. It was only $16.98. It's a mix of evergreen branches and spruce branches, and I'm simply fluffing it out to give it really a nice full look. I think it's almost gorgeous just as is. So from the Walmart Christmas section, I love the new line of My Texas Home. They have really elegant decor, and this ribbon came from the line of My Texas Home. It is a beautiful satin kind of burgundy red ribbon. I'm going to simply tie a bow like I would tie my shoelaces on my shoes. It's so easy. You just tie a shoelace bow with your satin ribbon. It's very classic, very elegant, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It was lightly wired. I will say that, you know, satin ribbon isn't a great Christmas bow, but it did okay. And I will also say that putting it into this cypress evergreen wreath base, you know, it had a lot of prongs from the cypress branches, so you might have to do a little bit of additional fluffing to really get your ribbon where it's at. The next thing I want to do is just go ahead and dovetail my ends. To dovetail my ends, I'm simply cutting a triangle in an upwards direction. I left these tails long for a little bit of a dramatic effect. You can see that I originally zip tied the ribbon to the front part of the wreath base. There's 2 layers of it. I removed that and zip tied it to the back layer because I wanted the ribbon to stand up a little bit better. The next thing I'm going to do is take these very simple shatterproof little gold
ornaments, and I'm just going to glue a couple of them in. A lot of you all really like to see just a very simple, classic, elegant wreath. So here, this one is for you. Very scaled back from what I normally create, but that's okay. Sometimes less is more, and so I'm showing with you guys a less is more. I added in a matte set of Christmas ornaments on each side, and then just one more onto the center. So that's going to be, let's see, 5 in total, and here is how it turned out. I will take another piece of the satin ribbon and loop it onto the top, and that will be where I will hang it from. I may hang these in my living room from my mirrors, or I may hang them in my front windows, which finally got fixed. I don't know if you guys have watched any of my home tours, but my front windows have been broken for so many years, and it was so funny to have those windows fixed because it made my home just feel like it was like a new home. I don't know, it was just something about fixing those broken windows. So if you're a little broken, hey, keep rolling with it, but when you get fixed, and I get fixed usually by my faith and my love for God. So anyway, long story short, fun and fabulous on a budget. Go grab this Walmart Christmas wreath and check out that My Texas home line. What? I think Walmart is definitely stepping up their game. Fun and fabulous on a budget.
So thank you all so much for joining me on another fun and fabulous crafting and decorating adventure. It's a true blessing and honor to have you all here. I am so excited for this season of Christmas crafting and decorating. Hey, listen, I would love to invite you all to subscribe to my YouTube channel, be part of this Olivia's Romantic Home community. It is such a wonderful community to be in, and I do tons and tons of DIY crafty decor projects on a budget. Subscribing is totally free. If you punch the bell and click all, it will update you every single time I post a new video. I have some really fun collaborations coming up that you guys don't want to miss out on. Also, if you're still decorating for fall, or if you're inspired for any seasonal home decor, I have been on YouTube now for 6 years, so all you guys have to do is press play on my I love fall, I love Christmas, I love spring home makeovers, and I even did some cleaning back in the day. So you guys can binge watch all of my videos, get super inspired. I love to craft. I am constantly crafting, creating, tidying my home, making my home elegant, and basically romancing my home. So if you guys love that, definitely join me. Hey, also I have an Olivia's Romantic Home Facebook page, and that's where you all can find me going live. I love to share quick little fun things on some of my live videos, as well as I share several DIY videos a day for you guys on Facebook. And if you guys want to share your projects, go over to my Olivia's Romantic Home Facebook page and join my free group page. You guys can post photos of your home decor and DIY projects. Now, I want to encourage you guys to keep up the good work. Every day that God has given us, it is a new day. We are blessed when we open our eyes. So do your best to put on a smile, find something that you love that is going to bring joy in your heart. For me, it's my family, it's crafting and decorating, it's Jesus, and all of that kind of fun stuff. So whatever brings you joy, do a little bit more of that and try to keep a smile on your face. Listen, my little niece's volleyball coach, she says, turn that frown upside down, girlfriend. So we're gonna do that. Anyway, I love y'all to the moon and back. I hear my puppy dog Benji Bear. He wants to come in and say hi. So until our next video, remember, be kind to yourselves and be kind to one another. Talk to you guys very soon. Bye. And here he is, the star of the show, my super assistant, and he's really not happy about being picked up, but he did get some new toys. Benji Bear, my sweet little puppy dog, he want to say roof roof and hi to all the kitty cats and puppy dog fans out there, and we love you guys. Bye!